Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today we are preparing Paneer Tikka Masala. This is one of my favorite dishes and I really like it because it's very tasty. It has 4 sets of ingredients, but do not be put off by the list of ingredients because the recipe is really simple and easy, and I can assure you that if you try it, you will really enjoy it. So let's get started with the ingredients. Ingredients on list 1. Ingredients on list 2. Ingredients on list 3. And lastly, the ingredients on list 4. Method. Heat oil in the frying pan and fry the diced paneer for a couple of minutes until it becomes light brown. Remove and drain the fried paneer on a kitchen towel and set aside. Starting with the ingredients on list 1, heat oil in the wok. When the oil is hot, drop in the mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start to crackle, add in the cumin seeds and the fennel seeds and mix. Next, you add in the ginger, garlic and green chillies and fry for a couple of seconds. And lastly, add in the onions and fry well until they become light brown. Optionally, you could add a pinch of salt at this point if you like. Moving on to the ingredients on list 2, add in the Madras mild curry powder, Tandoori Masala, Chilli Powder, Garam Masala and dried Fenugreek leaves. Fry for a couple of minutes. Moving on to the ingredients on list 3, drop in the chopped tinned tomatoes, tinned tomato soup, tomato ketchup, coconut milk powder and milk, and fry for a couple of minutes. Drop in the chopped capsicum and fry for a couple of minutes. Add half a cup of water as required. Cover and cook on low heat until the capsicum turns soft. You could adjust the thickness of the dish to your liking by adding water. Open and mix at regular intervals. Add in the fried paneer and mix. Lastly, moving on to the ingredients on list 4, add in the lemon juice and the aromatic salt. Also add additional salt to taste and continue to mix. Add in the coriander and mix. Cover and simmer for a couple of minutes. Open and mix occasionally. You could adjust the thickness of the dish to your liking by adding water. Finally, garnish with green coriander. Enjoy! I did tell you that there are a lot of ingredients, but do not be put off by this list of ingredients because the recipe is really simple and easy, and I'm sure if you try it, you will really enjoy it. If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.